As the curator of North America Gardens at UBC Botanical Garden, you can find Ben Storms working hard on all things collections, curation, and horticulture. In addition to being a key contributor to maintaining collections at the garden, Ben is committed to establishing meaningful networks across public garden communities, facilitating the exchange of collections planning approaches, and ensuring that public garden experiences are valuable to all visitors. Recognizing that the protection of our planet is linked to the diversity of its stewards, Ben has built relationships with indigenous communities supporting biocultural conservation. Through his experiences, Ben reminds us to bring the value of community to the forefront of garden practices. His colleagues say he sets the example for what professionalism looks like in the world of horticulture and botanical gardens. His commitment to public horticulture is clear in his volunteerism, professional accomplishments, and his passion for plants and people. In the realm of collaboration, inclusion, diversity, and conservation, Ben stands out as a true trailblazer, inspiring us all with his commitment to positive change in public gardens. What truly sets Ben apart is his tireless dedication to aligning inclusion and diversity with conservation. The American Public Gardens Association is pleased to present a 2024 Professional Citation to Ben Storms.